Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I just colored my hair using the Clairol Professional Flare Me Dark. And sorry, like all the instructions are on the inside. I was actually looking for the ingredients and they weren't inside, they were on the bottom. But anyways, this is in the shade Bring It Onyx, and I'm not sure if it's a blue black or just black, but when I was applying it, it was turning blue, so I'm just gonna assume it's a blue black. When I was blow drying my hair, I started to see blue in it, so I'm not 100% sure if it's blue, black, or black. With this hair color, how do I explain this? Okay, so in January, I saw on Sally's when I was looking for hair color, and this was on there. And it was advertised as new. It was like on their front page and everything. So I was like, ooh, gotta try it. It's a new hair color, new brand from Sally's, gotta try it. And then I put it in my shopping cart, and I had the developer for it and everything. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait until like the end of the week, and then I will purchase it. And it like completely disappeared, and I don't know why. And it was in my shopping cart, and my shopping cart, it still had it in there, but it was like you couldn't see what the product was. It didn't even tell you what it was. It was just blank, but it was there. And I was just like, what is this? Like, because I had like 4 other different like brands of hair color and stuff that I was gonna buy. And I mean, I did screenshot it when it first came out saying that it was new. So just in case if like if it like sold out or whatever, I knew with the brand so I could go back later. But it was gone, completely gone. And I was just like, okay. So I screenshotted it and I Googled it, and not anywhere I saw did it explain why it disappeared or anything. Well, I just came across this color on Amazon. So I bought 2 boxes of it and was like, well, I wanted to try it in the beginning. Like, what happened? Did they discontinued it? Did they like, it wasn't even on there very long. So I don't know. But anyways, after I already colored my hair, I was looking for the ingredients. I see this that says, stop. Do not use on darkly colored hair. So I'm like, shit, I have previously colored dark hair, so this isn't gonna work. And then on here, it doesn't say anything about like if it's gonna cover grays or anything. So I'm just like, well, thanks for letting me know this before I put it on my head. I saw that after the fact, after I already did it. I was just looking for the ingredients so I could tell you if it had PPD in it or toluene, and this color has toluene. But going into this, I was just like, okay, so what's wrong with this hair color that they pulled it from Sally's, and they didn't even like make a new formula, or they didn't like redo packaging or anything. Like, it's just disappeared, gone for good thing. So going into this, it was very gentle applying it. The hair color was so pretty and sparkly, and it smelled amazing. You didn't even need ventilation. It just smelled like fresh, clean hair, like shampoo basically. And I'm like, okay, this is a good start. Like, the hair color is very pretty. It smells amazing. It's going on super dark. It's coming off my skin. It's not staining my countertop. Like, we're on a good roll. So why did they pull this? Well, as I took a shower and washed my hair, I got some in my eye. And oh my God, did it burn the shit out of my eye. It hurt so bad. Like, I understand these say for professional use only, but even if a professional was washing your hair and got a little bit in your eye, you'd be like, oh my God, oh my God. Your eyes would be on fire. They would be watering like crazy. You'd be like, ugh, like trying to get it out, and it won't come out. So on top of that, as you're already like pretty much blind in the shower and crying all at the same time because your eye's on fire, you are trying to wash your hair and your fingers aren't really doing anything because your hair is in a giant knot. So as you're trying to wash your hair, you're just like, okay, my fingers are stuck too. Like, what is going on here? I had to wash my hair 4 times just to make sure the hair color was out. My hair did not feel clean at all. And it felt so wiry. I know my hair doesn't look like this now, and I'll explain what happened. So, my hair felt so wiry. It felt so damaged. It felt awful. It was bad. I was like, okay, so on top of the fact that I can't see and I'm basically crying in the shower because my eyes are burning, it's like as if if someone sprayed, I'm imagining this, that it sprayed like pepper spray in my eyes. I'm imagining that's what it felt like because my eyes were watering like crazy. It burned immediately and it's awful. Like, I can't see until I can finally like get all the color out of my hair. Yeah, it was bad. So on top of that, then my hair is in giant knots and I can't get my fingers through it at all. I can't do this with my shampoo or anything to get tangles out. Can't even, I'm basically just going like this, trying to make sure that my shampoo is like going through my hair and just kind of like, all right, well, I'm not going to get my fingers through my hair. I just kind of gotta like go on the outside and hope for the best. My head is so sore from my nails just digging into my scalp trying to wash it. So yeah. Now, if this were just me doing my hair with like just a normal hair color product that I would use on a regular basis without doing a review, I would always go in with a hair mask afterwards just to like kind of reverse some of the damage that you already do because it's a chemical process, and with a chemical process you're going to have a slight damage. You might have like some more split ends than normal every single time you color your hair. So I always go in with like a really nice deep hair mask afterwards and just let it sit on my head for however long, either for the rest of the day and then just take a shower later at night, depending on what's going on, or I just leave it on for an extra 30 minutes and then, wash it out. But when I do a hair review, I don't. I just do shampoo and conditioner. I want it to be as raw and honest as possible so I can give you guys all the details on how it feels and looks and all of that at the first color, first wash, first blow dry, all that. And let's just say I used almost like half my conditioner just to make sure that I can get my fingers through my hair. And yes, it helped because after all of that, like oh my God, my hand, like you're supposed to use like a little like quarter size. I use like a triple quarter or a big like silver dollar size amount of conditioner for my hair because I have a lot and it's thick. Yeah, I just did my whole entire hand. I just went shh with the conditioner and just sloshed it all over my hair to make sure that my hair, I could like get my fingers through my hair after that mess because it was so tangled from the shampoo and the hair color that I wasn't sure I'd be able to get my fingers through it with conditioner. So yeah, I used a ton, but it looks good now. What was I gonna say? yeah. So I have no idea if this is going to work for grays or white hairs. I mean, so far it's holding up. It covered them really well. I don't see any of my whites at all. It's covered it pretty well. I will let you guys know on Instagram if you do follow me. Or if you don't follow me, it's Nina_Gilhousen. And I will let you guys know on there if my grays stay covered after a week. After like the first initial wash, I will let you know on there and show you like if the hair color is still, you know, on point or if it's washed out and what my thoughts are on it, because this is not meant for previously colored hair. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen. I'm assuming that this is all the reasons why they could have discontinued it. I don't know. But like I said, it was on Sally's for a brief time. Then it disappeared. I found it on Amazon by mistake and was like, well, I wanted to try it, so I'm just going to buy it here. And now I'm kind of regretting that decision, but I mean, you're never going to know until you try. And my hair really needed to be colored. And at first I was like, this is going great. This is going smooth. And then it just turns to hell afterwards. And it's just like, okay, well, maybe they got lots of complaints in those first 2 weeks of like all of the bad stuff happening. But anyways, I don't know. So far, I'm not, like I said in the beginning, I'm not sure if it's a blue black or if it's just black, but this is what it looks like. My hair feels amazing now. It still smells amazing. I can see blue in it from like root to tip. So I don't know if it's actually blue black or if it's jet black. So I didn't really have swatches to compare it to or see. And this was like the only like black color they had. So I don't know. It was going on blue when I put it on. And in my vanity light, it was showing up blue. So I don't have any sunshine. It's all gray skies for the past week or two. And so I'm not going to be able to see what it looks like in the sun. But if I do get some sunshine, I will post that on Instagram as well to see what it looks like in the sun. But this is what it looks like in the natural gloomy window. But yeah, so other than the fact that your eyes feel like they're being pepper sprayed and you can't run your fingers through your hair when you're shampooing and you have to use like half a bottle of conditioner, my hair looks good. It looks good and it feels good after all that. There's more cons than pros with this one. But yes, anyways, I will stop rambling and talking about how bad of an experience I had. I honestly would not recommend this, so if you find it on Amazon, just don't use it. Yeah, like I said, I have no idea why they discontinued it, and it could be for the reasons that I experienced with it burning my eyes as soon as it got in it. You can't like run your fingers through your hair while you're trying to shampoo it. You have to wash your hair like a million times just to make sure that the color is out and your hair is clean. I don't know. But anyways, if you have any other colors recommendations, well, not any other colors, it's going to stay in either the blue black, or black violet. I will get to the black violets as soon as I finish all the blue blacks. So yeah, let me know in the comments below and I will definitely try them out. If it's anything from overseas, I do have a hard time finding some of the recommendations that I have been given, but I do keep notes of everything. So everything that's been recommended, I do make notes and I will find them and try them if I can get my hands on them. And if shipping's not too much from overseas. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what recommendations you have, and I will definitely get to them as soon as possible. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.